There's a woodpecker in this tree right beside us in this yard here in Fayetteville. And there's a redbird right there. Pretty bright red. So I'm gonna go back to the woodpecker. There he is. He's inching as well. There's the redbird, the cardinal.
He's still there.
These birds are everywhere. And it's snowing harder than it was earlier. They've been going back and forth from here to this tree. I'm gonna bring you just everywhere. That woodpecker will be here in a minute. That was a bluebird that just landed over there. There's just a ton of them. Look.